don't know why I'm holding on to this. This just needs to go. Hi, I'm Dee from Dee Lovey Life and welcome to my channel. Today, I am in my closet trying to look around and declutter because I am participating in the One Box Challenge hosted by my dear friend Michelle at My Everyday Wife Life. She does decluttering as I do, cooking, cleaning, organizing, decorating. Go check out her channel if you haven't already done so. I'm sure most of you have already subscribed to her channel, but if not, then go over her channel and check her out. So basically, the One Box Challenge is to go around and purge, declutter what you can to fill one box and take that box to your donation center. Pretty simple. I myself am a homemaker, stay-at-home housewife, family caregiver, full-time to my mom, Queen G, and I also do cooking, cleaning, decluttering, gardening, meal planning, day in the life, and weekly vlogs here on my channel. I am a what you call a variety channel. And if you don't know, I am currently in the process of filming a Summer Declutter 2021 series. So I've been decluttering all month, every Thursday, along with Michelle from My Everyday Wife Life and Karen at This Maynard Mom. Even though I already filmed a decluttering in my closet, there were a few items that I found that I can go ahead and just let go. Because let's face it, it's just one box, pretty simple. Might as well continue this decluttering saga. No, I don't know. I feel like decluttering is a never-ending process. So let me go downstairs and share with you all what I have in my box. Say hello to my little friends. I actually decluttered this several months ago, and I was trying to sell these on Facebook Marketplace and other platforms, and you know, I haven't gotten rid of them, so it's just time to go ahead and just donate. That's one thing about decluttering I notice, is that sometimes that's what holds me up. It's like, well, I think I can probably sell that online. And those are the Velveteen rabbits. And I don't know. I don't want to think about like how much I can get it for or whatever. I'm good with just letting it go. Get out of my home. It's almost Christmas, people. I'm just kidding. But I'm not kidding. If you look at Lowe's or at Home Depot, yeah, they already got their Christmas stuff out. But I already donated the other ones like this, and this one I found in our guest room behind the door. This is gonna go in the box. As well as this zip-up sweater. I got this when I was in, well, St. Pete Beach in Florida, and it was one of those times where it got a little chilly in the evening, and all we had near us were like gift shops. You been there? And I probably wore this like maybe 3 times, and it's just taking up space in my closet. I felt bad letting this one go because of that. I only wore it 3 times. Hopefully someone else will enjoy it more than I did. Now, I just decluttered these in my closet video a couple of weeks ago, and I was hoping that maybe, again, I can sell this online, and I haven't got any takers on these. And these are like brand, look at that, almost brand new. I'm just gonna go ahead and just bite the bullet and donate them. This is something that I made for my husband about, I don't know, 20 years ago, maybe 25 years ago. No, I think it was even longer than that. Maybe 30 years ago, I made this for my husband when I was taking like a ceramic class. And it has his name Jay on there. Maybe there's another Jay out there that would really appreciate this. I don't know. Maybe someone can use it for something else. But I don't know why I'm holding on to this. This just needs to go. So for those who have been following my summer declutter, remember I just recently decluttered our glassware cabinet. Well, guess what? I finally replaced these. I was lucky enough to find my brand new glasses at Big Lots, so I can now get rid of these ones. I really like this. This is our old shower curtain. And I recently just started using the snap-on or the snap-off ones that you can just put in the laundry instead of having one of these and then you'd have to get a plastic shower liner on top of this. So this is a really nice one still, and I didn't want to get rid of it because I do like it, but I don't think I'll go back to putting plastic shower liners on this anymore. So I'm really enjoying the fabric shower curtains where you just toss into the wash. So I'm gonna go ahead and say goodbye to this. I have some shirts I no longer wear. These were from when I was a career woman and so I don't need these anymore. And these are like almost brand new. I also tried to sell them and I just wasn't keeping up on that. Another one, a black one. So that can go. We're filling up my box. I don't know how I missed the shoebox in my closet, but somehow we did. Here is an old belt. Apparently, I'm just giving it right back to the thrift store, right? Like, I don't know what I was thinking. I think my thought about this is to wear it with a skirt of some sort. Maybe I could have adjusted it, but that's okay. I'll just let someone else enjoy this. And these were my favorite flip-flops in the 90s. I mean, check it out, man. Look at that beadwork. And it has dust bunnies on it. I think it's safe to go ahead and donate these. We had good times. Bye. So there is my one box to donate. Well, with the rest of the stuff I'm currently donating. So if you want more decluttering motivation, then click on that subscribe button right there. If you like these type of videos, give me a thumbs up. Now I hope this gives you some type of inspiration to grab one box to declutter some stuff out of your home. Remember to look at the playlist. I will have it in the description box below so you can check out all the other participants' videos and see what they decluttered in the one box challenge. Thanks so much, Michelle, and thank you all for watching. Bye.